This is a room tour for room 1162 at the Hyatt Regency, Los Angeles Airport. So you walk in the room. First you have here your closet, your safe, lots of nice drawers and cubbies, lots of storage, deep drawers. And we have an iron and ironing board. Up here we have more bedding if you need it. And you can see the hangers and such. Now, let's turn this way and we get the restroom. You have sort of a farmhouse style glass shower door. Nice big shower. Dual heads, including a rainfall shower, which is nice. And then we have some interesting, I don't think I know that brand of conditioner, shampoo, and body wash, but I'll give it a try. And a little hook. Over here we have, of course, the normal toilet and such that you would expect. We have towels. We have another thing of hand soap over here. You have the hair dryer and extra towels here. And then you have a nice sink, and of course a trash can down there, and sort of an interesting mirror. I'm assuming this moves. Yes, it does. And yeah, that's what you have here. So it's interesting that they had the insert room key for power, but they didn't actually make me insert it. That was already there. We have a chiller. It does not have anything in it, so it's not a mini bar that you have to worry about. We also have a coffee maker. And let's see what we have in here. That's garbage. And this is some, here. Let's take one out and see what it is. This is the brand of coffee. It's a little tiny Keurig. And we have some ice here. He was kind enough to get me some, the bellman. And we have the room. It's kind of retro. It's pretty cool. I like it. There is a ton of power in this room. So over here we have the digital thermostat set to Celsius, which is not something I'm used to in Los Angeles. This is actually, I guess it's a reading lamp. And then you've got a USB-A and then two regular power plugs. This is not, so there's no drawer, there's just a cubby down underneath the end table. Good sized TV, as you can see. More power at the TV in kind of an odd place. It makes me wonder if this wasn't at one point more of a desk setup. So you see we've got HDMI, you've got 4 USB-A, and then 2 regular power. So that's an interesting setup for the area that doesn't actually have any place to set your electronics. I think this is a cool looking light. It kind of gives a retro vibe, this room. I don't know. I think it's that light and then these chairs that kind of do that for me. And then there's this little QR code you can scan. It gets you all kinds of the stuff that's normally in the guest services binder. And there does not. Okay, so then we have this power station, which has 2 USB-A and 2 power again. So yeah, there's just tons of power in this room. And then even if we come over here where people probably set their laptops out nowadays, you've got 1 power plug on that lamp. So yeah, there's also, if you look down there, there's another open plug on the wall there. So now you do get a view of the runways. You can see the airplanes taking off, like that one there and that one there. For some reason, only half of the curtains open. This one seems to be stuck and refuses to move, and I don't want to break it, so I'm going to just let it. But yeah, that is the room tour for room 1162 at the Hyatt Regency, Los Angeles Airport.